We went on the cheapest cruise around Halong Bay.
Most people spend the night, but when backpacking on a budget, it's not financially friendly.
So we asked for the cheapest cruise possible, which was a one-day cruise around Halong Bay.
We got picked up from our hotel in Hanoi at 8 AM in the morning and not getting back until 9 PM at night.
We thought it doesn't matter how you see Halong Bay as long as you can explore all of its beauty.
But should we have paid more for a better experience? Let's find out.
Good morning.
We've got a very exciting day ahead.
Yes, we have.
We're off to Halong Bay on a cruise, and it just looks really nice.
For a day.
Yeah, we're just doing the day cruise, cheapest one.
Yeah.
But we still get to see the same view, even if you go on a more expensive boat.
Yeah, so who's the winner?
Us.
And also, it is our 7-year anniversary today.
It is 7 years of bliss. Never a crossed word.
Never ever. So we've made it onto the bus. Quite a funny system. They were 15 minutes late and all of a sudden 2 men came.
One came from one direction on a bike and then another man came from another direction.
And they both got up this spreadsheet and they were like, Lauren? I was like, yeah. They were like, Halong Bay? I was like, yeah. And then we had to cross the road with them. I've been really used to holding Tom's hand whenever we cross the road.
You're about to get hold of the tour guide's hand.
But he was like putting his hand out for me, wasn't he, Tom?
You were just stopping traffic.
He was being like, come on, hold my hand, I know you're scared. So I was going to hold it, but Tom was like, Now we are at the Pearl gift shop, and I do keep reminding Tom that it is our 7-year anniversary and it wouldn't go amiss to have something shiny and round as a little present.
This were never on the agenda. When we looked through the brochure, there were no gift
Mention
shop at
of
the
a
Pearl
Pearl
shop
shop.
for
But-
like 45 minutes. I mean, it's not even related to the trip that we were doing. Lauren's got a little touristy thing on.
Don't.
In case she gets lost. And these are some of the pearls. So that's like 150 quid. 150. How much is a ring?
I think it is literally only about 250.
Now we've been given our tickets.
Been told very clearly to look after them.
Very important. And the boat's over there. Let's see which one ours is.
Here's the
ticket
barrier.
place, right. Some pretty impressive boats. No doubt ours will be the worst.
Don't be so bloody negative.
Sorry.
I've had enough to hear with you to put it.
No, I'm looking forward to it.
5-star luxury cruise, is that what we're going on? As a surprise?
Yeah.
Anniversary. Yeah?
I've managed to keep it a secret this whole time.
Really?
Yeah.
So we've made it on board. There's Wi-Fi, 2 toilets, a sun deck and watermelon. So far, so good. There's a drinks trolley coming round, which is also beneficial. A little quick tip is that you can't bring any single-use plastics to the bay. So if you have any water bottles or plastic bags or anything, you've got to get rid beforehand. Here's Halong Bay, where there's just less than 2,000 of these stone things.
Limestone.
Limestone rocks, big rocks, don't get me wrong, coming out of the sea. So far, we've had lunch. It was all seafood. There was a squid on a salad. We're not really a big fan of that, so we're going to try and get some Pringles at the next stop. But I think we're just going to chill on here for about the next half an hour, and then we're doing some activities and we can see what it has to offer.
So we're now at a stop. I'm not sure where we are, but you have 3 options. You can either get on a rowing boat and someone rows like 10 of you, or get a kayak, which is 2 of you, or there's a speedboat, which is like $10 each. So.
And I want to go on the rowing boat and just sit there, relax, have someone take control, but no, Tom's having me rowing from pillar to post.
Let's get on this kayak. Getting life jacketed up, and we're ready to rock and roll. Lauren's worried that we're going to go in, but we're going to be well slow and steady. So this is so peaceful. I thought it'd be crammed with tourists when it said about kayaking. And there is a few around, but nothing like I expected it to be. Like, it's proper peaceful, and we just saw monkeys. They were beautiful. But literally, if I'm quiet now. But yeah, we're going to try and find some more monkeys. Well, that was probably the best experience we've had all trip. That was lovely, weren't it?
Yeah, it was.
Can't believe it's real. It's a proper beauty spot, isn't it?
So, where are we now, Tom?
We're at Titop Island, and there's a big walk you can do, 450 steps or something like that. Doesn't take too long, I don't think. And then
there's a beach.
well, there's a beach and you can have a swim. I'm thinking of doing both.
Maybe both.
If we get up and down quick enough, but yeah, we'll see how we get on. Everywhere's getting busier as the day goes along.
It is actually, isn't it?
It's still nice. So there's a beach here, but we're not doing that yet. Hopefully we have time to do it soon. We've started the climb. It is in the shade, which is a good thing. Well,
Positive.
so far. Everyone's doing it, so it shouldn't be too difficult. Hopefully,
Famous last words,
yeah.
Get airlifted down.
Hopefully the view from the top is worth it all. So we've got above halfway. People are just stopping there, but we're going for the full benefit. So we're going to continue up. It's not quite how I imagined it. We've made it, but it's a bit busy, so we're going to try and get our videos and photos once we've stopped sweating a bit and got our breath back. Have you enjoyed it, Lauren?
I have. Well, I've enjoyed this bit. I didn't enjoy the walking up.
But the day as
And
a whole.
also, there was these ladies from London, and I was there like, oh, how long's left? And they said, oh, you're halfway, and I said, crikey. And then they were all like, oh, they were all chatting, weren't they, Tom?
Well, they went, oh, I didn't expect that.
And I was thinking, you didn't expect what? Someone from Yorkshire to be here? We can come out the county, you know. Look like a right buffoon walking down like this. I'm slipping and sliding everywhere in these Crocs.
I don't know if I've ever been to a better swimming spot than this. I mean, I bet it's polluted as anything. There is fish though, but not very nice ones. But yeah, I have seen, because look at all boats, it can't be clean water.
It's really nice. I mean, I wish Tom wasn't such a child. Because I'm here with the bags. He's absolutely dripping wet, covered in sand. He's like, oh, I'm going to run in.
That's what it's all about.
Yeah.
But I do need to go get changed dead quick.
Right, what am I doing then? Do you want to
wait
take the
here?
bag?
This is what we've been going on all day. I recommend it. To say it's the cheapest one, it's been good. So we're at the last stop of the day.
We're at a cave.
This is the surprising cave.
With stalagmites and stalactites.
That's the one. But yeah, it's, I think, the biggest one, the biggest cave in Halong Bay. And it was made over 700,000 years.
Wow. Isn't this, Tom?
Wow, it is a surprising cave.
It's been the best day ever.
It actually has, and the trip is coming to an end. We're on our way back, but it's been brilliant. Like, probably, it might actually be my favourite day.
It is, it's my favourite day.
It's proper beautiful, and like it's so cheap as well. We paid £65, which is like the cheapest boat you can do. We just thought we want to see it, and it doesn't matter how we see it. But for 35 quid, there's no point in going for the more expensive one. Do you think?
Definitely not.
I'd say just go for this cheap one because it's been well good.
It's been great.
But yeah,
It's
we're
been
tired.
Really good. It's quite emotional actually.
Oh.
How good it's been.
Yeah.
No, I'm being serious.
Yeah,
though.
no,
You're not tearing up.
I'm nearly shedding a tear myself.
Well, I am, Tom.
Yeah, no, honestly. Yeah. Anyway, we've got a long journey home. Is it 3 hour?
Yeah.
3 hour journey after we get
On
off
the
the boat,
bus.
so that's going to be a bit of a blag. We won't get home till about 9 o'clock tonight, but yeah, 10 out of 10.
In conclusion, we definitely think the cheapest boat is the best if you're not that bothered about staying overnight.
Yeah, there's more expensive options for the day trip, but I wouldn't bother with them, to be honest. We had everything we needed on the cheapest one, and we loved it.
We did, and it was a great way to spend our 7-year anniversary. So thank you so much for watching. We hope if you're looking at this video in the hope of kind of finding which boat would be the best when you visit Halong Bay, that we've settled some things for you.
It is linked in the description below, the exact one we went on, so you can join the fun as well.
Absolutely. We'll see you next time. Bye, guys.